Is your Canon camera struggling to focus properly? Are you getting blurry shots, slow focus, or no focus at all? Don't worry, these issues are often caused by simple settings, lens problems, or light conditions. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix your Canon camera's focusing problem and help you capture sharp photos once again. Let's solve it now. Solution 1. Change AF method. Turn on your camera. Set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Then press the menu button. Click on the right arrow button to go to the fourth camera icon tab. Here you can find the AF method option. Select it. Then press the set button. Here you will get 4 options: AF tracking, flexi zone, single, flexi zone multi. Here you'll get 4 options: AF tracking, flexi zone single, flexi zone multi, and quick mode. Now select one of the 4 AF methods. After selecting, press the set button to confirm it. Solution 2. Check lens AF/MF switch. Look at the side of your lens. There should be a switch labeled AF/MF. Make sure this is set to AF. Solution 3. Reset camera settings. Now press on the menu button. Next, go to the wrench icon using the arrow button. Here you will find the clear settings option. Tap on it. Then select clear all camera settings. Next, click the set button. Then select OK. And then click the set button to confirm it. Wait for a while, and it's cleared everything. Now switch off your camera and then switch back on again and see whether your problem is solved or not. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.